everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we are going to understand how to create Flodesk subscriber from Facebook lead ads. So I have a social media agency and to promote it I am using Facebook lead ads. Here my objective is that whenever I am going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to create that lead as a subscriber in my Flodesk account. Now to do this I need to build a connection between these two applications, for which I am going to use this amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect follows the concept of trigger and action. So now to automate this process, my trigger application will be Facebook lead ads and my action application will be Flodesk. So if you want to learn more about this, follow me through the screen.
In this video, we are going to understand how to create Flodesk subscriber from Facebook lead ads. So I have a media agency and to promote it, I'm using Facebook lead ads. Here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to create that lead as a subscriber in my Flodesk account. So now to automate this entire process, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, and as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. But if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm signing in. Now this here is the all applications page. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and now in order to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as create Flodesk subscriber from Facebook lead ads, and on my left hand side you can see that these are the folders which I've created before. So as this is the automation for Flodesk, so I'm going to save this workflow in the folder named as Flodesk automation, and here I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of a trigger application, and in our workflow we can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now moving to my use case, that is to create Flodesk subscriber from Facebook lead ads. Here my objective is that whenever I am going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ad, then automatically a subscriber should be created in my Flodesk account. So now to begin with the process, here I will go to my trigger window, and over here I'm going to search Facebook lead ads as my trigger application. And the trigger event will be new lead instant. So the moment I'm going to receive a new lead, then this workflow is going to run automatically. Now moving to my action window, as I want to create a subscriber in Flodesk, so over here I'm going to use Flodesk as my action application. And the action event will be to create or update subscriber. So over here you can see that I have selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So my objective is to create Flodesk subscriber from Facebook lead ads. So now in order to do that, I will go to my trigger window, and over here firstly I need to establish a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, I've already logged into my Facebook account in one of the tabs. So here I'm simply going to click on connect. So here you can see that Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now moving to the page and the lead gen form associated with it. So over here I need to select the Facebook page that I've created for my agency and the lead gen form which is associated with the Facebook page. So this here is the page that I've created for my media agency by the name of Sharks Media Agency. So here in Pabbly Connect, firstly I'm going to select my page from this drop down. Here it is. And after selecting the page, now I need to select the lead gen form associated with it. So here in Meta Business Suite, these are the lead ads forms. So I want to use this form by the name of Contact Form Sharks Media Agency, and this is how the form looks like. So over here in Pabbly Connect, from this drop down, I'm going to select the form. So as I've selected the page and the lead gen form associated with it, here I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. So here you can see it is waiting for webhook response, which means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in Pabbly Connect. So in order to do that, I will take you to this new tab, and over here I'm going to search for Meta for developers, and here I will go to the page. So here in Meta for developers, I will go to my apps, and now I will go to tools, and under developer tools, I will go to this lead ads RTO debug tool. So this here is the lead ads testing tool, and this tool is going to test the connection. So from this page drop down, I'm going to search for my page and select it. After selecting the page, I'm going to select the form, and over here I'm going to click on preview form. So this here is the lead art form, and I've filled in the details of first name, last name, email, phone number, company name and the job title. So as I filled in the details, now I'm going to submit this form. It says, thanks, you're all set. Your test lead has been sent. That means the test lead which I've just created would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So taking you to Pabbly Connect, and yes, over here you can see that I have received a response, and here in the response, here are the details. So here's the first name, last name, email, phone number, company name, job title, created date and time, along with some other details. So that means the test lead which I've just created is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So the first objective of this automation is set up. That means now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically that lead will get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as I've captured the lead over here in Pabbly Connect, now I want to create a subscriber in Flodesk. So in order to do that, I need to establish a connection between Flodesk and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, I'm simply going to click on connect with Flodesk. I've already opened Flodesk in one of the tabs. So here I'm going to click on allow, as this is a secure access. And the authorization was successful. So over here you can see that Flodesk and Pabbly Connect is connected. So now moving to the field part. So over here you can select by which you want to create or update the subscribers. So over here I'm going to select the field as email. Now moving to the field value. So over here, as I've selected the field as email, here I need to mention the email ID. So now in order to mention it, I'm going to use a method that is called as mapping. So basically mapping means to insert the data from previous step. So as I've received the response from Facebook lead ads, so here I'm going to map the field value. Once that is done, moving to the detail of first name, last name. So again from the response received, I'm going to map it. So over here, if you want to send opt-in confirmation emails to subscribers, you can either select yes or no. As of now, I'm keeping it as no. Now moving to the mobile number part. So again, from the response received, I'm going to map it. And here I'm going to map the company as well. So here, as you can see that I have mapped the details. So this method of mapping is important so that every time you're going to receive a new response, so that response could be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information could have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So in order to avoid that problem, we map the information. So as I've mapped the details over here, I'm simply going to click on save and send test request. So here you can see that I have received a response and this here is a positive response. So here you can see that our ID is generated. That means a subscriber would have been successfully created in my Flodesk account. So here in Flodesk, you can see that a new subscriber is created. So here is the name and here is the email. So that means through Facebook lead ads, a subscriber is successfully created over here in my Flodesk account. So this automation is a successful one. That means now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically a subscriber will be created in my Flodesk account. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.